So we kind of got cut off there. So let's finish this up. The last thing we were talking about is how to tell if a graph is a function or not. And there's something very specific that we're going to use, and it's called the vertical line test. So what the vertical line test does is it allows us to use a vertical line to double check to see if our domain repeats any. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to take each graph and I'm going to draw a vertical line, and I'm going to try my best to get it to hit in more than one spot. If it does, then it fails the vertical line test and is not a function. If no matter how I put this vertical line, if it never hits twice, then it's going to be a function. So let's take a look at graph 1 here. I can make a vertical line right there, and it only hits once. Vertical line, vertical line. No matter where I draw a vertical line, it only hits those dots one time. So I would say yes, this is a function. Now if I take a look at graph 2, if I draw a vertical line right here, I can see that it hits right there and right there. It hits more than once. So it fails the vertical line test and is not a function. So that's the idea. This one's a little complicated, especially like right here. You see how there's an open circle right there, but then a closed circle right below it? So it means it doesn't hit there, but it does hit there. So if I draw a vertical line there, then it only hits at one spot because of that open circle. And no matter where I draw a vertical line, I can only hit one spot at a time. So I'm going to say yes, this is a function. Graph number 4, I can draw a vertical line there and it hits twice. I can draw a vertical line there and it hits twice. So it fails the vertical line test and is not a function. Same deal with this. Vertical line hits twice. Not a function. Here on this slanted line, no matter where I put the vertical line, it only hits that line once at a time. So I would say it passes the vertical line test and is a function. So hopefully you can identify, no matter which format the function is in, whether it's a function or not. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me or ask me in class. And this is a lot to pack into one lesson. So you may need to go back and re-watch it a few times. But if you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you guys real soon.